Welcome, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be giving you guys a quick install and review on this hair from UNice hair on AliExpress. Now this is the packaging that the wig came in, and it is a ombre blonde bob, and I got mine in 12 inches. Now straight out of the package, this is how the wig is looking. It is already pre-plucked for you, and the knots already bleached, so I don't think I have much to do. If you want to pluck it a little bit more, you can go on ahead and do that. I think I did like a light plucking in the front, but nothing extra, just a few strands of hair that I felt like needed to make the hair look more natural in the front. And then I'll be using some foundation powder to just make sure that the lace matches my natural complexion, or to look more like scalp. So this is how the wig is looking on my head. This is a 13x4 lace. It was a little bit small for my head in a sense, but nothing crazy, and I was able to make it work anyway. So I'm just going to show you guys how I install my wig. So I'm going to be using Got to Be freezing spray to do that, and basically this will just be a light install. Now this is one of those installs where it's like trusting the process. It looks crazy at first with me trying to make sure that the frontal actually looks like my natural hair lining, and also making it work even though it's a little bit small for my head sizing. So trust the process. Now for this hair itself, I didn't experience any shedding at all, and as you guys can see, like straight out of a package, usually with like blonde wigs, they tend to look trashy and dry, but this wig was very silky and soft. Like the texture of it was really good. Now you could definitely co-wash the hair, which is highly recommended, especially during this time. And either way, the hair is just silky. It doesn't have that trashy blonde look. It is well taken care of. This is like quality hair. So basically what I'm using right now is the Pump It Up hair spritz, and also using the freezing spray to tack down my lace. And then I'm going to be using a molding wrap to tie that down. And then I'm going to flat iron the hair and style it and show you guys like the full ending. Now the full details for this wig will be in the description box down below, and you guys will have like a direct link to the hair. So that's basically it. I didn't experience any shedding. The quality of the hair is really good. As I said, excellent. And yeah, I'm gonna just let you guys see how I finish styling the hair, and then we are done. Okay guys, now this is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think of this unit down below. It's giving me Beyonce vibe. I don't know what it is. Beyonce don't usually wear a bob cut, like maybe one time, but I don't know, it's giving me like a Beyonce type of feel. Let me know what you guys think. Like stiff wear, like this hair is moving, honey. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Chev. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.